everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today in this video we are going to cover topic input device. As we have already discussed the content of our computer subject, all the chapters which we are going to study in this session. So my dear student, I hope you are completing your all work in time in all subjects. So without wasting much time, let's talk about input device. As we all know, computer is an electronic device, and with the help of different devices, computer makes a computer system. Devices such as input, output, input device are those devices which help us to input any data. So, for instance, in a human body, information enters through eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. So, these are known as input, means to input, to intake some data. Alright. So further information about input device, let's see the PPT which will be just after it.
Computer peripherals. Whether you are writing a letter or calculating numerical data, your keyboard is the main way to enter information into your computer. But did you know you can also use your keyboard to control your computer? Now let's learn something about keyboard, a typing device. This is an input device which is used to enter data and instructions using more than 100 buttons present on it. These buttons are called keys, and so it is called keyboard. In a standard keyboard, there are 104 keys showing letters, number, and other special character. Now, the keys on a keyboard can be divided into several groups based on functions. First is alphabetic key or typing keys. These keys include the same letter, punctuation, and some symbol. The alphabet keys are the keys with A, B, C till Z. These keys help us to write down words and sentences on the computer. In English, there are 26 alphabets from A to Z. That is why there are total 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Now, the next type of key is number key. It is also known as numeric key. These keys are written with digits from 0 to 9. These keys help us to enter any digit from 1 digit to 5 or more than 5 digits. Now, the next type of key are function key, which is also written as function key 1, function key 2, and so on. These are keys that have F on them, which are usually combined with other keys. They are F1 to F12 and are also in the class called special key. Now, next kind of key are arrow key or cursor movement keys. Arrow keys are buttons on a computer keyboard that are either programmed or designed to move the cursor in a specified direction. The term cursor is distinct from arrow keys. This is also called arrow key, which help us to move in place of cursor. Arrow keys are typically located at the bottom of the keyboard to the left side of the numeric keypad. Usually arranged in a inverted T. You can see on the screen. If these arrow key will arranged properly, then it will look like a T. T for tiger. But when we were talking about keyboard, it is placed in inverted form. Now, the next type of key is some useful shortcut keys. Now you can see here insert key, home key, page up key, delete key, and page down. So these are the keys which can help us to perform any task in a short way. The next input device is mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device, or you can say it is a commonly used input device which is used by pointing and clicking the object on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. When we move the mouse, a pointer moves accordingly to the screen. Now you can see mouse is having right button, mouse is having left button. At the left corner there is a side button which is rarely found in new kind of mouse, and at the center it is a scroll wheel. Now what are the uses of a mouse? First is it helps us to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Next, it can help us to open and execute any program. It is also help us to select any data in our document. Now the next is drag and drop. Means with the help of mouse you can select any data. You can drag your mouse with the right click and drop it to the new place where you want to paste your data. Now let's talk about different types of mouse. First is scroll mouse. Scroll mouse usually contain scroll wheel, and scroll wheel is a wheel used for scrolling. The term usually refer to such wheel found on a computer mice or a computer mouse. This scroll wheel help us to page up and page down. Now the next type of mouse is wired mouse. A mouse that is capable to the computer to connect with wire. Earlier, mouse were all wired available. As it upgraded to now optical mouse, which worked with Bluetooth technology. An optical mouse is a popular these days, which has a light beam underneath that reflects and sends the motion for the pointer by tracking the movement of mouse. Nowadays, cordless mouse is getting popular, which uses Bluetooth technology to send movement signals to the computer. Next is joystick and gaming pad. These two input devices are used to play games on the computer, as it controls the movement of object on the screen. Next is light pen. A light pen is a computer input device in the form of light sensitive wand used in conjunction with the computer's cathode ray tube display. It allows the user to point to displayed object or draw on the screen in a similar way to a touch screen, but with greater positional accuracy. Now, next is microphone. This is an input device is used to give sound input to computer system. Using this, you can record sound or give voice instruction to the computer. Next is scanner. This is an input device, can be used to store images, pictures, diagram, etc. into the computer system. It works like a photocopier machine. The most popular type of scanner is flat bed scanner. Now next is touch screen. Touch screen is a special type of computer screen which can sense the touch of your finger. You can also use a glove hand, stylus, and other pointing devices. This technology is generally used in ATMs, mobile phones, tablets, and etc.